Welcome to Oriental Public School Preschool Learning Videos. Today we are going to learn the emojis expressions.
Which emoji expression is this? Relieved. Yes, this is relieved. Which emoji expression is this? Cheeky. Good job. This is cheeky. Do you know this emoji? Surprised. Excellent, this is surprised. Which emoji expression is this? Shocked. This is shocked emoji. Which emoji expression is this? Embarrassed. This is embarrassed emoji. Which emoji expression is this? Happy. This is happy emoji. Do you know this emoji? Ecstatic. Yes, this is ecstatic emoji. Which emoji expression is this? Content. Good job. This is content emoji. Which emoji expression is this? Loving. This is loving emoji. Do you know this emoji? Unwell. This is unwell emoji. Which emoji expression is this? Intrigued. This is intrigued emoji. Which emoji expression is this? Impressed. This is impressed emoji. Do you know this emoji? Silly. This is silly emoji. Which emoji expression is this? Worried. This is worried emoji. Do you know this emoji? Anxious. This is anxious emoji. Do you know this emoji? Tired. This is tired emoji. Which emoji expression is this? Amused. This is amused emoji. Which emoji expression is this? Sad. This is sad emoji. Do you know this emoji? Startled. Yes, this is startled emoji. Which emoji expression is this? Cheerful. This is cheerful emoji. Which emoji expression is this? Funny. This is funny emoji. Which emoji expression is this? Smug. This is smug emoji. Do you know this emoji? Angelic. This is angelic emoji. Which emoji expression is this? Cunning. This is cunning emoji.
Hope you have learned all the emoji expressions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.